Welcome to Mentone Math with Mr. Mentone.
Conversions. Customary capacity. This is with a multiple conversions. This is with Mr. Dull. Meet Mr. Dull. He works with a table. Works for time as well. In that above table, you multiply when moving right. That is why the arrow is going right. And you divide when moving left. This works when the unit in the table on the left has a 1. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So here's our example. 2 quarts equals blank fluid ounces. We have quarts. We are going to fluid ounces. You will notice that we are moving right. You multiply when moving right. There's Mr. Dull, and he is facing the right. Notice his nose is pointing right. You'll also notice in the table, not only are we moving right, but we have to climb a little bit, so please watch. We start with 2 quarts. We are moving right, so we are going to multiply by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. But we are not done yet. We have not climbed at all. So we have our 4, and now we have to climb up. So we are going to multiply that 4 by 2. This is going to give me 8. We have that number now, and we still have to climb one more level. So you will notice we're climbing that last level. And 8 times 8 equals 64. So 2 quarts is equal to 64 fluid ounces. So now in our second example, we have 16 cups and we need to go to gallons. Here's our cups. Here's our gallons. You will notice that we are moving left. You divide when moving left. Mr. Dull is standing here and his nose is facing left. We also have to climb down. So you'll notice we have 16. That's what we have, 16 cups. And we are going to start by dividing by 2. This is going to give us 8. Once we have that 8, we now need to climb down one level, which means we are going to divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. We're not done yet. We still have one more level. Our 4 needs to be divided by 4. This is going to give me 1. So 16 cups is equal to 1 gallon. Now what happens sometimes is we cannot do easy division. So please watch what happens. We have 8 fluid ounces and we are going to pints. Here's our fluid ounces. Here's our pints. We only have one level to climb down, but we are moving left. So when moving left, we are dividing. And there's Mr. Dull, and he's facing left. So we have our 8. We are going to divide by 8. This gives us 1, but we have not climbed down yet, so please watch what happens. We have our 1. We are climbing down. 1 divided by 2. This cannot be done nice and neatly, so we need to turn this into a fraction. 1 over 2, which is equal to a half. Notice the numerator was the number that was being divided, and the denominator was the number that was doing the dividing. So we have a fraction as our answer. 8 fluid ounces is equal to half of a pint.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave a comment for future topics you want to see.